Hey everyone, welcome to Lucky Tech Life, where we equip people how to use and learn their device in everyday life. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to send a text message on your Android or Samsung phone. There's a lot of people out in the world that don't know how to do this, and they just use their smartphone for just making calls, going on the internet, but rarely go on text or know how to send a text or how to send a picture text. So I want to give you a two-part breakdown on how to send a text and also how to send a picture or a file text to the person that you're sending it to. Let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is we have to go into your text message icon. It'll look right here. In my case, it will be blue. Yours might be red, purple, green, whatever it is. It will have like a message icon looking app there. So if you click on the message, and let's say you have nobody here, but you have on here I have a few contacts, but then if you go to a little bubble here that says compose a new message, click on that, and then the recipient is who you want to send a text message to. I'm going to type in a random number, add, and then let's say you want to text them, hey, what's up? What I did there was a swiping method where I can swipe to each letter without having to release my hand off the keyboard. Some people like to just do, hey, what's up? Right? And then when you hit the send icon, it will send a message over to the person. Boom. It's a random number. They're not going to get it. Now, let's say if you want to send them a picture or a file. If you hit on the picture, there's a little picture with the little icon on there. Next one will be a camera looking icon, and the next one will be a plus. I like to do the plus icon because it gives me more options than just the two main things. You can send a location, calendar invite, you can send audio, you can send a scheduled message if you wanted to, you can send a picture, contact, video, things that you don't know about that's there. You can send them a lot of different things. And so if you want to send them a file like an audio file, video file, calendar file, a note file on there, and then that way they can send it up, and you'll see a send icon on the side there. But that's it. I know a lot of people don't know how to do this, and I want to show you how easy it is and how easy the communication is nowadays, because without phone calls, you have text messages, and without text messages, you have the internet. And so this is why I want to teach you and also show you how to do all of this. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have anybody that's looking for a video like this, feel free to like and also share this to your friends and family. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below to my channel, so that way you're not missing on any new videos, along with hitting that bell, so that way you are notified on new videos that come out weekly on this channel. But until next time, I will see you in the next one. Peace.